There's a new airline on the scene offering affordable long-haul flights around the world, so we're checking out Norse Airways to see if it lives up to the hype. Starting out at the Las Vegas airport, you'll find Norse Airways in Terminal 3, right at the end next to British Airways and KLM. Check-in was a breeze with the premium line. Super short and easy, so we were through in no time. This is the personal item. It's approved. This is your carry-on item that is approved. They will weigh it. They are putting it in the little box things, and they are seeing if it fits, and they are seeing if it's appropriate weight for the ticket that you bought. I haven't seen anybody else do that before. After a quick stroll, we passed through security and made our way to the gate. With premium class tickets, we had priority boarding, and it was a seamless experience.
Here we go.
Once on board the brand new Boeing 787 Dreamliner, our seats were right up front and to the left. Couldn't be more convenient.
Hello there.
Hey, sir.
Awesome. The same.
Thank you
so much. Hello.
Premium class offers significantly more legroom and wider seats with a 2-3-2 layout. Economy has more basic seating option with less legroom and a 3-3-3 layout. In premium class, you get complimentary drinks, and right as we settled into our seats, they brought us some apple juice to kick things off.
Flight attendant said, "Welcome aboard," and that we're gonna love it because we said it's our first time.
Now let's take a look at the goodies. You get a decent-sized pillow, a cozy, big blanket, plus some earplugs, an eye mask, and a pair of headphones.
Here's my eye mask. This is really nice because it has Velcro back, so you can adjust it to however tight or loose you want it. And since I have my eyelashes on, I don't want it too tight. Thank you. My husband did not think they were going to be blue, and I said, I think they're going to be blue.
In front of you, there's a handy little hook for your jacket and a pocket for magazines and anything else you're likely to accidentally leave behind. Right next to your leg, there's a remote control that handles everything for your seat. Under the armrest, there's an entertainment screen that pops out easily. Just pull the lift button and you're good to go. At the bottom of the screen, you've got a USB port to charge your devices and a headphone jack for plugging in your headphones. Under the other armrest, you'll find your table. You can use it at half or full size, and even adjust how close it is to you. And between the seats, there are 2 universal power outlets. Perfect for when your travel adapter ends up in the wrong suitcase. We're all set for takeoff, saying goodbye to the Las Vegas Strip as we head into the skies on our way to London Gatwick. Once we're in the air, it's time to settle in and make the most of these premium seats. They're definitely roomier than economy, with some people saying they're 19 inches wide. There's also a lot more legroom, about 35% more than in economy, with a 43-inch pitch. And the recline? Super comfy, with up to 12 inches of lean back. Plus, you've got an adjustable footrest to kick back and really relax. And even if you're taller like my hubby, who's 6'2", there's still plenty of room for your legs. These seats are seriously comfy. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, you can actually adjust the brightness of your window. Aside from movies, you can use your screen to order all sorts of drinks, snacks, and food. And trust me, we weren't the only ones enjoying the complimentary drinks. The crew made sure no one went thirsty. Time for our first meal. Hubby went for the 3-cheese ravioli. Wow. A salmon salad, and cheesecake for dessert. Oh, and there was a bread roll with butter, plus the cutest little salt and pepper shaker.
So I got the jerk chicken with mango, salsa, and rice. Maybe this is the same as yours, I don't know. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
What is this? Ooh, little salad. Is that salmon salad? Really?
Probably.
After dinner, we both pretty much crashed. We were out cold the whole night and woke up just in time to catch the sunrise and get ready for meal number 2. For breakfast, we had scrambled eggs, pancakes with sausage, plus some tomato and mushrooms. Oh, and there was yogurt, a bread roll with butter, and a little bit of strawberry jam to top it all off. Right after breakfast, we were flying into the United Kingdom and got this stunning view. And just before landing, they put on this cabin light display that mimics the northern lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. After a smooth landing, we got to enjoy another perk of premium class, leaving the plane first. We had such a great experience with Norse Airways, and we'll definitely be back, especially for that premium class comfort.